Hello everyone, so I just finished building my Node.js authentication app, and this app can be used as a starter app for other Node.js applications. So this is the landing page and user can either select to login or register. So once user enters in the required fields and goes on to click register, so the app will send an activation link to the email ID which needs to be opened to activate the email address. So this is the email address I have received. So once I go on to click it, and I get the message that account is activated and now I can log in. So now I will be logging in with my same credentials. So this is my dashboard, and from here I can click on to log out, and once I log out, I won't be able to access the dashboard even if I try to go access it directly. So it will throw an error message to please log in first. And now if user forgets the password, there is an option to reset password, and user can ask for a new password reset link on his or her email address. So the app will be sending a password reset link, clicking on which the user can enter the new password and confirm it. So now the password is reset, and if user tries to log in from the old password which was this, so it will throw an error message, password incorrect. Now logging in from using the new password, and I should be able to go through it. So this is how it works, and in my database which I've hosted on MongoDB Atlas Cloud. So if I go on to refresh it, I can retrieve the list of documents. So this is the user which was created and the password is encrypted. For this I've used bcrypt.js. Now on to the code structure. This is my server.js in my root directory. So in this I have imported all the modules. I have configured the passport DB configuration, in which I have imported a key which has the Mongo URI, and apart from that I have connected to MongoDB database using Mongoose, and then I have configured my EJS, and then I've configured the body parser express session, and defined the passport middle wares, connected flash, and defined the global variables. And next section is the routes, in which I have used the routes directory. So in the routes directory I have the index.js, which stores the route for welcome and dashboard. So in the dashboard routing is via ensure authenticated, which is again in config check auth. So this basically does is that it ensures that the route which is going through, first it will check whether user is logged in, then only it goes on to that route, else it will throw an error message. So apart from that, in the route auth routes, I have login route, forward password route, reset, register, activate link, and log out, login, all handles. So for every I have used the controller system. So in auth controller.js I have defined the functions, like in register.js I have read the post, and I have checked for all the fields, required fields, passed the validations, and sent the sent the activation link to the user email address. And once that link is clicked, so this activate handle will add the user to the database using bcrypt.js. It will encrypt the password and store in database. And apart from that, the forget password, go to reset and reset password handles all the functions of sending a user password reset link, and similarly. So this is how my code structure is defined. Apart from that, I have assets.js, in which are my style sheets and my image files, and for the package.json I have all these are the dependencies and dev dependencies listed. Thank you for watching.